e ma fonye jumal lomu andu nte man interest to kalon jumal lomu laftare droye justice saf andu late la le jumal lomu ko be justice saf la so mimmun nan county nyin pour kany ko diam wolom nyinti ko lafitale so as obe engaged in I don't know lafita min na dron wolom nyinti ko nyim bankung du karembe mobe danila let's keep calm ko en tata his excellency honorable Ousainou Darboe Yale bi ngatra be fonyondi wala ko e kana disturb ninna bari musu kendo diamuta min keta dingoti wo benna kontondro futan lama I was just passing by and UDP din jamal le kawoke but his excellency honorable Ousainou Darboe is very relaxed about this bawo Gambia be alonne nyimbankun kan celebration tejan nyimbankun kan han minul ya lonko e koy tellemu itelle winter they can't celebrate their own win malon fo Gambian ko le nyin koros le banko na opposition party olu be tu hani e be la vote la nyoka hani bi barole ndan so nteman so wo kumola andunta accept la man so wala kunun very interesting program leketa mimbe keri very interesting program leketa mimbe keri nkoto ba tata je min keta pa honorable pa maneti ay kuma kanol foje kuma kanol minulu nyi nyata nte Musa Seding agree ta dolla barima agree dolla komin kaytandi ko UDP kudol ketalen overconfidence soto wodalilol be keta man overconfidence soto UDP have done very well in this election yela grassroots kele so ni UDP as a party mantano dulabeto ni UDP dingolo tata jeluto hani sa eka UDP le represent obviously but UDP have done very well and no Gambian ko le carte for UDP yes Mr. Basila Darboe womuila choice that whether you trust or you don't trust bari mole be sila odulato yeah you cannot be calling the number pour nga ntewo number tala no be min call kan andu man taraka call fananta science because sambi mina tala fitir salola fitiro be sila lafta min fola mole wolom nyinti ko na Supreme Court Judge Sol Kono Chief Justice fango be je Chief Justice atelala mokan ka foko anu Ousainou Darboe be bota bansanne atelala Ousainou Darboe ka foko Chief Justice atata ka international ka justice serve internationally wota tinnan la ka foko ala anyanta la president barola ka wala anyanta la Ousainou Darboe ka wala anyanta la Mama Kandeh ka abe justice le safla andunte trust ala le ko abe justice safla le nganyine fonu njam bini yakumba jete la case nata we don't trust our judiciary system you know mbe min fola mole wolo mu nyinti ko judiciary ni aje UDP be la ebe compilation o kele be kaitolu tale ba sambala justice department andun tella leader was served out over 4 decades so nintel kana sinka foko ntelma o system oni ma support the minister have nothing to do in this what minister is just a rubber stamp minister mbenga wolon but the judiciary they are credible people. They are people with integrity and do not believe the be justice serve. Fali amre ni justice judiciary mol minul bije. Fo Gambia non lete. Fo etel ma lonko mol le sotota nyim banku ka mil manke banku dewti e mal legitimate kan na banko la kayto soto wolle na banko la kayto soto e karto faja. Fali amre judiciary e man dingol le soto nyim banko ka fo etel dingol te kala no nyim president dija. Wol seyda ila samati nyaba dukare let's keep calm. Let's keep calm. This is what we are fighting for Basila Darboe. Nin justice andu wole be lola Gambia mu tonya bankolete although mo jama sotota e man tonya je hadumole je bari bente anduna justice system dukare alnga kata baki nge tentu nge jayi nyimbe larin kede balo fo na justice department mol mantara Gambia ja fo buka campaign oje fo malom patiju malom mol be wole noka niano baro eta yake wol president wom tellement interest sotola ntel ko Gambia la election o man senea so Gambia nyanta min fight la Gambia will fight for that they are not fighting baro mbenna presidency le fight kam mbenna presidency mbewole fight kam when if you want me to go and sleep and you are watching me yalong alman sensible bakile Ibrahima Kamara you want me to go and sleep ntanite be denta banku minna you don't want me to talk about my ideas about this country fait la banku di yalla bente ñaar foy fama wala banku di ya bente fama ñaar foy bama wala banku di ya bente bama ñaar to ban if you do not want to talk about our country because it ametako everything is fine nintebe banko la ko fole ka fonte go and sleep and you are watching me are you listening to what you are writing? You are watching me, telling me go and sleep. You see how senseless you people are? People like you, Ibrahima Kamara. But I would not waste my time on you. Because if you want somebody to go and sleep, you would not watch that person. You go and watch Barrow. Taita Barrow Jube. So, Ndebe Minfola Gambian Kole, especially GDC and UDP. Alinga akatabake. We saw professionalism andu ngana alfalu nge no kan na alfalu inatale pruka tonya sabatin wallahi momo ka foko alaye min tambindi wala tambita pati lulu pati woro wala lota ni dol ko eten satisfied tal fula ko man satisfied e man kidi chika e man doko chika e man fewo fenke ko alngata kiti bunda to kiti dula en joj bar mol ka finti ka fuko ha ala nyine tambinde nga bulanoma bari wo mo kilingol de ni tata yela bitikolu tay wali yela bungol tay sungol dunte e sunya e kamune follow mira ala samba police alta police hani man sungoje e katale case report police munati ne buka si ka fo mu ko ala le kiti tala sungol nata yenna bungo kono be tay wala yenna bitiko tay yenna fengol be samba yesi ye bulo la nyoka bar muna ne kata police because you are looking for justice so sai bankola karteo nga believe ko man la carte fayo nyinna ite Ibrahima Kamara fango mimbijan albe ya lonnako Allah Barrow, when he goes out, he is the most unpopular politician in this country. But the Alka Moloko, all the time always go and sleep. You see how selfish you people are. But ni alla fensunya, the first thing Alta Foloko, Mbatunga Alale Sabutanyina, Alka Moneke for Alcatala case report police. So this is the justice we want. You know, Nimantonya Taman the Gambia betula sofalale. Ala ye UDP sambana ne pruka Gambian kolu ka tonyai bondi. So we have to thank UDP for that. We have to thank UDP. Inene buka kuke minne lua manta. So nse UDP call thank. So na apilo bita karo minna because dol kuma stale ba folako e baro lafta ka kodole di na justice molula na Supreme Court molla. Eka Gambian ko la kunimbali alo minna including our own journalists nko birintengeje high court nte jelo minante fal nko look at these people Supreme Court beje ikata itel kata journalists ol iko ikata high court le ka jube whether UDP have file for UDP ko kata high court why itel kata because he malong so Supreme Court I can get 5 judges left. The Chief Justice is among them. And then you have another 4 other judges. You have 4 other judges. So 4 other judges solo. Because ye kalile whether they are Christians or Muslims ye kali al Quran wala You know, Alkana at time was people like this Alaji Madua. Dukarengal Dani Alkana at time was Nimo Sifal la quote. Alkana at time we see la quote. Alaju be muna mo Sifal muit. Abubakar Jawara itembe badi yale fasa kay mambam ko jede. Ika Abubakar Jawara wolu anila badin kurungol miliyalon ke be banko tinyaka wol be balu nyima soto kan gambe dul be sofa kan ko ka bula wolle nom nyili amre nintel mu tolewle fonni be man tra hosulun la don't we know how selfish they are for me long alkane alfango patandi ntebe min fola mole do momo yalon ko e kadiamu media do walle ka safero ke. Let's not attack our judiciary. Alinge bule la doko ke na alfa le trust soto judiciary yele andu judiciary be la doko tamandi la na diata ala e tonya silo kan. Gambianol be surprise la nak. Gambianol be surprise la. Thank you Janko. Kana. Gambianol be surprise la nak. Na diata ala e tonya ala be wole fasala yalon almam mi understand sulu saji jamale ben UDP de minuli yalon ko nata place ni nol la ni kono on the 4th December we UDP life will be difficult for UDP. You know why? Because mbita dolle kala na position oto mi yalon ko man Gambia je bari alhamdulillah rabbil alamin womo kurungo dolu be talale ibi talale ibajela ko toñamina sabatila abatara toñamol dammale be UDP be molu tala milmu toñamoti ka palasol dila mili alon ko manta do ku kala ku UDP e be do ko kala Gambia le alala kitio hey falia mirako sirif dino Haidrawo Sirifuba mimbe France Haidara nyin Gambia banko moru kendo be nyin talibe kendo lu majlisi tiolo alteli amira wole duwa minke ilota ko Usain Dabo ila mansa yale sita ali amira ko wole kuma kense ngole fo mili yalon ko ka suta nyaajale ke alay God would not give this in a silver plate. Usain Dabo mo seneari ngolati ni alabe Usain kala banko nyaaton ko da ba ni mo senewol le kala nyaaton ko luti al ñim believe soto mo kurun jamal le ben kono mili yalon ko mantra fenne na ila fa palasol so ni Usain Dabo tartaje by force ibe palasol di le lale yena muru ka tiñaro ke mansa kunda kono wala yatina alay jarindiro ke nin karadola folo ala le benna banko seneyandi kan UDP mu foro patileti UDP mu pati seneyari ngoleti UDP mu pati seneyari mbaleti UDP wallahi momoy dankene ya soto ala lon ko tonya balbul nko UDP got 200,000 votes according to IEC hadama dingo min benta hani base UDP la ralito hadama dingo min benta UDP la stadium moto fo manta mi 200,000 hadama dingo min benta buva zonoto hadama dingo min benta Bakote hadama dingo min benta Gunjur hadama dingo min benta Sukuta hadama dingo min benta Brikama fo manta mi 200,000 ala fonye barola political rally jumalo mo ba fola ko baro got even 150,000 people when we banko be sweep UDP la stronghold sol fang be dami fixed deposit or kasoto dami e kana foko barola e jelwi no al nga tonya fo nyoye well as to now IEC or but IEC alone whether there is a foul play or there is no foul play imagine the guilty ring bari tay mote nyim banko mala la nyim banko mu dua banko lete jumale findita ko ngata banko mala ngamira NPP ko la tata UDP ti sato bu the devil bari jumala ya bulala Sefo Jajusi is among those people me yo organize pour wole okay Sefo Jajusi of Jara Som because nyin ken no bota Jara to nya tabal atelom NPP la agent polling agent at that tonya taba polling station bar sefo jaju si aman karang ngamra ay muna fo esa falie TRRC but ni mo evil te ikatente evil manyal. Yes, and Sukuta, I've said it by Davo Silla. No, Bayo Sonko, I believe you are not following me then. I believe you are not following me. Ni after you follow nu, you would have understand what I am talking about. I know very well what I am talking about. I have 100% respect for our judiciary. Nte fintita minna wolom nyinti ko purun na molu nkana ndafa judiciary ka. Because accusation olu dolba fokanko ebe kodole dikangela. These people are credible people. Very credible people. I know some of the judges. Supreme Court judges. I know they are very, very credible people. And Ntelu, like for example, me, yes, I am a UDP supporter and sympathizer and a member, but Ntemantra diamka UDP toyala. And what I am saying is that we have to give the devil its due. These judiciary people, support the Supreme Court, they are credible people. And they will do exemplary job because the world is watching them. Be doku kendo kela nyimbankun kan Africa be dunia be surprise la. Gambia will be a lesson. Yes, and I believe this 100%. Gambia will be a lesson. Dunia be mina fintila le kafugo bar kule kete Gambia min nene manke dunia nko for 2016 bring a dictator bay dunia be man to moy dunia be le Gambia fo so nga dictator bay nga min sindi dunia be hope soto ala karola he disappoint the whole world. Imagine a fango itandi dunia la te mumune mo sifat fo mo le man na jankana election observation wala ba wolu natale wolu yalo no mimbe keri fo ma wala statement ol moy nyela statement ol moy so the world is watching so in Supreme Court judges all they would not sacrifice it a career for anybody. They will do a perfect good job. They will do a perfect good job. Sanzi. Hello? 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 Oh, I believe network. Okay. So, mimbije wala mnyintiko na brother Bayo, yes, maybe among follow no, but I alone neko nte manke wo mo sifat nte buka mo attack nte buka system attack nte if I come out I talk about na concern mo minti ntela kon hello nine musalom sanusi lomba okay then afa mbe programme ngajele yen call sign mbe programme la fo nyaato do so nyino mu koti mi ya lon ko abe caring na judiciary alnge trust nga fatema nge bula yela do ko ke ibe do ko senewala kala alkana foko IEC minke IEC ka bring at the onset mobe ya lon ko IEC they are not credible mobe ya lon ko IEC man credible because Gambia la population is 2 million people. Wo 2 million people all kono mo jelle travel ta milta to diaspora from Senegal kata dunia e bantala. It's more than 200-300,000 people. Gambia de min tamata. So wo kono say IEC na foko Gambia la population is less than 2 million but 900,000 plus wolle nyanta carte o file mobe yalon ko banke toñati o manke toñati wobe te kala no Gambia dinti min legitimate ka carte o fay kukile nabe kala ida on the age sol le ya fay wala ani luntawol milbe Gambia bar luntawol milbe Gambia evidence ol sototale luntaw dole carte o fayle andu man naturalize nyim bankunka ni na lafta leta immigration ntede ngam minna ko find out till immigration aman naturalize but he got our voters card and I carte o fay Gambia and man naturalize niaje mam materiala marila kumo fola because mba kis kan up to immigration fa naturalize ta Gambia fa man naturalize aman naturalize ni lafita I'm in Gambia isin samba no kiti wala pro wala ko wala and I will prove to them ko nyimari e carte o fayle and man naturalize nyim bankunka yes if they want isake ntebe min fola do wala nyinti ko banko molu al nga try mimbe peace and tranquility kelan na banko kan nga sabato kan bari nyin tonya fo baliya nimma bula banko kan be banko le kasara la momo ya lon ko e carte o fay nyim banko kay manke banko dingoti oto momo yo mo fa sa ite manke tonya moti Luntaul are very welcome in this country. This is a country with hospitality. Nata ben leader fe mi alon kala musola do ko of hospitality. His Excellency Honorable Dabo ala musukilungo woye only hospitality I wanna know. Oto Gambian kaw ntelmam balan luntanna pour lunta ya dabla na carte fayoto ni lafte dabla la carte fayoto isita e naturalize ni i lafta naturalize la nyim bankunka ya sanji tang ani lulu soto nyim bankunka ka pamito jo ikela tax jo man crime soto jang min satinan la banku dingol te la banku di ya dile la itel legitimable tale pour kata ye naturalization ke wala isi Gambia dingo futuno after 7 years it's a naturalized no nyim bankunka. So what is the problem? Intel man problem so pour moy naturalize nyim bankunka. Intel man problem so pour moy naturalize nyim bankunka. Bar mo manyan ne da fanam bulana na carte fayoto e manke banku dinguti andu ngajele minulu ya lonko ye dabla na carte fayoto e manke banku dinti. So IEC la 900,000 fango vote voters card kao issue what is wrong after disfranchising the diaspora people. So nyilbe mu kulet mi ya lonko nyanta UDP tentula kambake because bring voters card registration over caring. UDP was the only political party mi ya lonko e lota o ko ni noka bari mune nata ke ye UDP le castigate ke dabula UDP la pour lunta on safa ko UDP le man la fi bari ni lunta ye toñaaje ba on tan lunta jama ka chata ni jama le kafuta ngel lonne ya itandi nala ko for real if it is love for this country it is United Democratic Party lunta jama o fani I would not like to mention their name. I got Nigeriano naka chatale, Senegalese naka chatale, Ghanaiano naka chatale, Guineano naka chatale. Even a Malian ntata wafudula nabe kachalaje ayole fonye. So oto mbemo be tentulambal jaila mina danna janne fitro felenta indan domanding. So mbal tentula mbal jaila na judiciary alnga lela alnga trust nga foye numbara dat ko in case ibe doku kendo kelale andu ite lala mokan ala la mo kendo le beje mollo mutu milialon ko e luwale respect imam moje ye luwale je ite lala political party kan ibe minkela do wolom justice ya saf. So andu latela ko ibe o justice iba saf lale UDP mo party leti aliyamira ko UDP la nyin alfal sita yela time o bewes comme intel kamira nyamin ko ha nyin judiciary ye bribe ye fenge jumale be bribe la. These are credible people, these are very credible people andu mbab kuma kilin na fola judiciary fanaye modol be fintila lebe saferol kelebe kumol folebe audiol fintindla e manke UDP haninte min kadiamu ten ndemu UDP supporter ban ndemantra UDP la executive de so alkana foko nale audio mo ye foul language o use doro ye fanke UDP ngol ngal be nyaaya jele momim findita ko ngata Gambia mala yalon kale ko UDP kan nene tewo kela ngamira alkal kontele bota kela fo UDP ngol UDP kan nene tewo kela UDP kol ye bankole je UDP kol mu tonya kafoleti andum bilo UDP stronta kununti ndo fola mobe andu momo ka fo fanan either you go to any platform ka fo UDP called ngi mistake ko soto nyin nyin nobody is perfect mota fola ko UDP yera ko be kele perfectly bari UDP mole karto fayele andu UDP campaign o kele UDP futata Gambian ko lale UDP nyanta do ko min bekele yakele andu Gambian ko le karto fay UDP yele so mbe mo be tentula mbal jayla mba fula la baraka bake mbe danna janne ngata salola say ala baraka mbal tentula mbal jayla assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah